The ingredients we used was sugar cookie dough, white chocolate chips, dried cranberries, and walnuts. First, we preheated the oven to 350 degrees and will cook them for 12 minutes. We mixed the dough with the dried cranberries and the white chocolate chips. Then we rolled it into a ball. Once it was in a ball, we rolled it in some crushed up walnuts. We lined them up on a pan and put them in the oven. After baking them for 12 minutes, we took them out of the oven. After baking them, we left them out to cool. We added some powdered sugar as the finishing touch. Then we packed them up into the container. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy our homemade cookies.